Alright, so Amber Waves in the lobby are under construction. So we have to go towards the back to get to check in. Okie dokie, so we are going into the back door of the Knott's Hotel. This is the front desk check-in because the lobby and Amber Waves is under construction. Interesting. Good morning. So we are in room 618. They don't have this is paper. They don't have the thing yet. So, and doors are still kind of narrow. But the room is so much better. So much better. So much lighter. The thing is, cameras can't capture feeling, scent. It smells like fresh, clean carpet. We have a pool view, which is not bad. But the park is over there. They have a tennis court that has, oh, I guess it's technically a basketball court. I see the hoops now. But it's like, who, what, when, where, why. Splash pad looks like it's wet, so it's probably on. Pool looks good. I wonder if they're going to update that at all. They haven't painted the outside, and I think they're going to, but there's some peeling paint on the little thing there, but cute lamp. I love these plates. Those are so cute. Nice. And each one of these have one as well. Okay. And I'm gonna go back over to this side, turn this one on. I'll turn them all back off once I turn everything on. The clock has USB plugins, which is nice. Oh, look. Like, it's a lamp on either side of the bed. So, like, if you want to read, like each side has like a little, that's cute. Hello. Sorry you guys. It's a little damp in here, or dark in here. Not damp, dark. There we go. Can you see? There we go. Bathroom is the same size as it was. This is just like a reskin. This is not like a completely remodeled anything. That's nice. That's nice. Toilet's new. That's nice. Garbage can's new. I don't know if this tile's new. It looks new. They have what I call the coffin tubs where it looks like kind of like a coffin. I'm weird, I guess. I don't know. But all these doors are always so narrow, and I don't. That was one of the things I didn't love about it last time. But they've got a good amount of closet space.
This door's heavy.
Very heavy, huh?
It's really good.
But here's a zoomed out version of the, I mean, I was kind of close to all the stuff, but. Sophia, look. Go touch that light over there in that corner, on the side of the headboard. Okay, now to come over here to the other side.
That's so cool. We could have arguments. You can turn off the light and I'll turn it right back on.
And you can see we're joined to another room if we wanted to. These beds are kind of small though. I think these are queens, not kings, which we're all, oh my gosh, my daughter. We're all 6 foot, so it's like, I don't know. But when we stayed here last time, you had to rent the refrigerator. It was an extra $29 a night. So it's kind of nice that this is in here already. I'm sure, like, overall, for the room price, we're probably paying that anyway. But, yeah.
They have a playground?
It's all a playground. It's a splash pad.
Same difference.
All of them are soft close. That's nice. Nice little touch. Last hotel we stayed in, the doors didn't close. It was weird. So yeah. 10 out of 10, I think. Well, there's a couple of things that aren't finished, but what's here is beautiful. Do you like it?
Really pretty.
So after a long day at downtown Disney, we didn't really want to go anywhere. We're hanging out in the room, so we got some chicken, mashed potatoes, boysenberry sauce, of course, yummy, and some rolls. What else is down there? Anything else? Oh, I think that's it. Just rolls and mashed potatoes and gravy and chicken. So thank you, Dada. My first Boysenberry Festival boysenberry item is the boysenberry angel cake. Sadly, I would only give each of these items about a 6. I think it's mostly due to texture. Okay, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, let's go. Oh, hold the door. Got it?
Good job.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning from the 9th floor of the Knott's Hotel. That is Knott's Berry Farm. That is where Amber Waves used to be, and that's the lobby. And that is a muggy, cloudy California. Yesterday was absolutely gorgeous, but today's a little overcast. But me and Josh personally enjoy this kind of weather, so it's perfect. So, because Amber Waves is closed, they have us up here on the 9th floor, and we have a standard buffet breakfast with great views. It's so pretty and light and airy in this room. There's the food over there. You have eggs and sausage and French toast and bacon and hash browns and biscuits and gravy. Okay. So.
I know, but see, number one, because it's the first floor, okay? But
We are checking out. I just wanted to take a quick peek of what's coming. Some of the art. That's gonna be the new lobby. Looks nice. So this is the room we just had breakfast in. Does not look anything like that right now. Different point of view from the lobby. Our server just told us during our breakfast, because they are serving breakfast currently for those of you that want to book the breakfast package. They're just doing it in one of the ballrooms that I just showed you. But they are going to be getting a Starbucks. So that's nice. And then, that's cute. Got more views of the lobby. We already saw that one, Alrighty, well, you can see, hard at work. They have this really pretty courtyard. It's also under construction right now, so you can't go out there. It's really great for like weddings and that kind of thing. So that was our first stay in the newly remodeled beautiful rooms at the Knott's Hotel. We absolutely loved it. The only thing we would change is that we would have a microwave and a bigger garbage can. The garbage can in the bathroom is the only one you get. Other than that, everything was great. The staff were wonderful, and we can't wait to go back. Thanks for watching.